Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone, they grabbed this from the store and they decided to paint over the perimeter with this black paint. This kind of looks like one of those like moon lamp designs. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. And I'm not sure if this actually came, because I'm guessing it's a puck light in here. We don't see any type of electrical or anything of that nature. But really cool design idea. And I love the fact that she made it her own. She obviously has like a little moody theme going on here with the grays and the blacks. Very pretty. So next up, another very trendy, popular aesthetic that we're seeing right now is cottagecore, and that involves mushrooms. So it looks like she is making some mushrooms out of some paper. You see two over there on the side. Now, I would consider this easy if you actually knew how to like do the folding with the paper. But if I were to attempt to try to do this, I think it would take me a couple of tries because, yeah, it looks kind of complicated. I think I would honestly have a better chance of like taking a piece of wood and then just drawing the mushrooms myself versus trying to, mess around with the paper. So she does a little design here. This is cute though. I mean, if you know how to work with paper, this would be a cool project to try. Oh, so she just took the little pieces and inserted them. Oh, that is so cute. Glam mirror wall decor idea. So this one involves the disco mirrors. Oh, now this is a simple project. I don't see any mirrors though. Or maybe she just means like the disco mirrors are the mirrors. But you could take some smaller mirrors and actually put them in here. I think that would look really cool. Yeah, if she added some mirrors to this, that would be like a top-notch wall decor piece. So here's another project of hers. Another mirror design, very pretty. I think I like this one better than the previous one, just because it's an actual mirror. This is cute. Wish it was a little bit bigger though, because it's kind of small for like the wall space. DIY pumpkin pillow. So like I said yesterday, I'm sprinkling in the fall and Halloween DIYs and reacting to them, just FYI. So here we have someone making these really cute pumpkin pillows. We already saw the final product. And this particular project does involve some sewing, so if you don't know how to sew, you might not be able to recreate this one. So she basically made the shape and then put the stuffing in. And then she's using twine in order to create. This is a really cute idea. You have a nice little piece for when people come over during the holidays or like the fall season. You're like, oh yeah, I made this pillow. Isn't it cute? You can do any color you want. That would be like a really nice little like fall project idea to try. Very cozy. Okay, so we have some food jars here. This looks like baby food. Pineapples or like bananas or something. Squash maybe. So she's repurposing the jar here. I wonder if this company sponsored the video. Because she has them like all on the side. Like, I don't know. Oh, she did like the frosted look. That's pretty. Oh, is this gonna be like a candle holder? Yeah, this must be sponsored because you can still see the brand's name. She gave it that frosted appearance. It's a cute idea. But I would definitely want to like do a full spray paint over that brand. But I'm pretty sure this is sponsored. That's why she left it like that. All right, so easy action DIY. And this particular creator, she does a lot of like easy and simple DIY projects that you can replicate. So if you are a beginner, definitely check out her TikTok and Instagram. So it looks like she has some candle holders here, some type of table tray. So she must be getting ready to make like a nice little decorative display. It's nice though when you watch some like people decorating their home, you get like a nice vision of how to decorate if you don't know how to do so. Very inspiring. And nice simple fall pumpkins. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.